Good morning, witches. Welcome back to Pagan Pathways with Jessica. So, yep, I don't usually put videos up on Thursday, but you are getting one on Thursday and likely getting one on Friday. I know my schedule's been really screwed up, but I felt like I wanted to do a VR to Little Cosmic Crow. Sorry, Little Cosmic Crow, and I will link her video in the description box. She did a video on F is for forgiveness, and at the end I want to show you what I got from Silver and Spirit jewelry. Very beautiful pieces. But first, let's talk about Little Cosmic Crow's video, F is for forgiveness. I have seen another VR to her. This video was posted last year, so I'm a latecomer. Sorry, I just happened to see it and I think it's noteworthy and it's worth attention. So in Little Cosmic Crow's video, she talks about forgiveness is hard for her, and that if somebody murders your family, you don't just forgive them. And while I can understand everything she's saying, let me put my point of view out there. Forgiveness is not for the person who has wronged you. Forgiveness is for yourself. When you hold on to resentment and pain and anger and hurt and those types of things, it's not hurting the person who done something wrong to you. It's hurting yourself. When you can forgive them, you are letting go of them ucky, nasty feelings that are bogging you down and keeping you in this place that's not great for you. Does that mean that you then, if you forgive, you just forget? Absolutely not. When somebody has caused you pain or resentment or what have you, and you forgive them, it is not licensed to have a relationship with that person or trust that person or any of those things. What it means is you've let go of the pain and the hurt, and you're able to move forward while also protecting yourself from, say it's a cheating boyfriend. You can forgive that boyfriend, but that doesn't mean you have to continue on in the relationship with him. And even if you do continue on in the relationship, doesn't mean you immediately trust them. Forgiveness means that you're going to let go of what he's done, but he still has to earn that trust back. Or you're going to let go of what he's done, and you're just going to move forward in your life without him. Forgiveness does not mean that you forget or that you did not learn a lesson for whatever happened. But I do think it's important that you forgive for transgressions against you, because if you do not, it just further hurts you. So that's my 2 cents. That's my video response to her video. Her video is amazing. She has a nice channel, so go check her out. And again, her video will be linked in the description box. Now, don't go anywhere yet, because I want to show you this cool necklace that I got, and a pair of earrings that I got from Silver and Spirit Jewelry. Jeez. I will link their website down below. So it comes on a leather cord, and it is this a really nice piece of rose quartz. When you open the rose quartz, because it does open, you can put your oils in it. This is fantastic. It does come in nice packaging, but I'd already opened it. So here's the package it came in. And then it has, oops, there it is, sorry, a little dropper so that you can use, and all that stuff is stored back here in this little pouch. To put your oils in, and then these beautiful rose quartz earrings. So I will link them down in the description. Make sure you go check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk soon, witches.